Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and today I will teach you guys how you guys can fix your ChatGPT's sign up problem. Let's say you want to create an account for ChatGPT and you just can't. Well, today I will show you guys how you guys can fix that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, in order to use ChatGPT, you need to create an OpenAI account. Alright, so what you want to do is go to this website called openai.com. I repeat, openai.com. Once you're in this website, click on sign up and it'll take you to the sign up page, and you can sign up via your email, or you can sign up using a Google account or anything you want from over here. Google, Microsoft, Apple. Alright, but let's say you tried to but it didn't work. One thing could be that the internet is really slow, which is causing this problem. So try to fix your internet. Alright, and even if your internet is fast or like it's not slow and your internet is not the problem, ChatGPT server might be offline. Sometimes ChatGPT goes into server maintenance to fix their problem. So to check if they're online or not, you want to write status OpenAI. Once you search for status OpenAI, click on the first option. Once you're in the official website over here, if it shows green in the the latest box over here, that means it's currently working. If it's showing any of this color like red, orange, or light gray or something like that, that means it's not working properly. That's why it's causing the problem. But if it's green, then it's not ChatGPT's problem. Now, if it's green and it's still not, letting you create an account, what you can do is reset your browser's cache. Alright, and for Google Chrome, you can do this. Just click on the three dots and go on settings. Now, once you're inside your settings, you can see privacy and security. Go on it. Once you're in the privacy and security tab, scroll a bit down and you can see where it says clear browsing data. You want to click on it and tick all of this. Click on clear data. Once you do that, your browser data will be cleared just like this. And once it's cleared, what you can do is go to openai.com again and try to fix a problem, like by trying to create an account, and it should create. If it still doesn't create your account, the other solution I can give you is get a VPN and connect to any other country. Once you connect to any other country, try to create an account. At that point, it should work, but make sure the VPN is the last option. Alright, so yeah, that's how we guys can fix this issue. Hit that subscribe button and bye bye.